Hello, everyone. My name is Sabina Jules. I am the owner and chef at Motherland Kitchen. I'd like to tell you a little experience that I had last week. I had a call from Pastor Rodney of the Gateway Experience Church in Williamsport, Maryland. When he called, I picked up the phone and he said, I'm Pastor Rodney. We're having a festival at our church, and I'm trying to find out if you can be part of our festival. So I asked him what he expected me to do, and he said, can you bring some African food? He said when he mentioned in church that he was looking for an African food vendor, the whole church just went up, Motherland Kitchen. And he said, so are you going to come? And I said, Pastor, it is an honor and a blessing for you to call, and I will be there. So I started preparing what I would take to the festival. And because I have customers that come from Hagerstown, and Hagerstown is very close to Williamsport, I thought I would make some typical dishes that they come for, like cassava leaf and pumpkin seed stew. But I did make other stews and carry the food out there. When I got there and the service was over and the people started lining up, there were other vendors there as well. But the line that was in front of my tent was just heartwarming. Everybody wanted to buy my food. So I asked them, I said, you come and you look at the menu and you just pick, do you know about this food? They said, well, we've heard about the food. And when the pastor said you were coming, we checked your website, we checked on Google, we checked everywhere to read about you and your food. And we were so excited. So what I'm trying to say is we did our best. We made the food as delicious as always and took it to Williamsport for the festival. They were so impressed. All the food was gone. And by the time I left, they told me, please mark your calendar for next year because we want you back. So why am I telling you this? I'm just saying this is a reference for anybody who has a church event or a golf tournament or some kind of event where it ends up with people sitting down and eating, and you're looking for a caterer, and a caterer that's inclusive, like Motherland Kitchen. We don't only cater to those who eat meat, we cater to everybody. So we have a vast menu with so many tasty vegan items, and also meat, fish, chicken, beef, all for everybody else. So if you have any event that needs a food vendor or a caterer that would cater to everybody, Motherland is where you should be going. So check us out, motherlandkitchen.com. Check us out on Google and check us out on YouTube. We not only cook and serve the food, we have a YouTube channel where we also teach those who want to learn how to cook our foods, most especially those who want to learn how to make tasty vegan food. So check us out, and we are here to serve you anytime. Thank you.